Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can change height on Tinder, but before that please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So for that, all you gotta do is simply open up your Tinder app on your phone, and now if you tap on done, let's go back to our profile section. Once we have done that, we're gonna find this particular pencil icon on top of our profile. Simply have to tap on it, and now you will be able to edit out your media files, your photos, your about me section. And if you scroll down a bit, then you get your height section. You're going to tap on this add option, and now let's go ahead and select our height. We're gonna go to fit, and we're gonna tap on done, and now we have added our height, right? So if I want to simply change it again, I can again tap on it, and I can again change it to whatever preference I would prefer, and tap on done, and it will simply get updated. So it is a very simple process. Hope this video was helpful to y'all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.